So this is our design. As you can see here, it is 130 long and 60 wide. Then you have two circles of 22 diameter, 10 millimeter thick. You can start at any point. I will draw the shape of the rectangle, then I will trim the edges, and you have the radius here, it says 20. So to do that, I will choose, you can choose smart line or you can choose block. I will choose a block this time. So I will start at this corner here, then I will move my mouse slowly on the right, and then I will type. Now you see the black X here is active, so that is our length. So I will type 130, then I will hit enter, then I will type 60 because now it's active on the Y axis. 60, enter. So now we have the shape. You come to modify. Now you can see there's fillets. Now there's circle, and then there's parabolic, and then there's chamfer. So our case is circle, so hit that. You type 20 here, and then on truncate you say both. This will remove that line and that line beyond the curve. So I will hit the first line and second line, and then we have the shape. Then I'll hit the first and second, the first and second. Now I will need to add one more level, and I will name it construction. Dashed, double click, color by level, line by level, and weight by level. I will change this color into yellow. Hit here, midpoint, like so. So you click there, bring it to the other side, choose again midpoint, you put it there. So now you have the midpoint to where to place your circle. Now the other thing is for circle to be at 30 mil beyond the edge. I will place a line between the edge like that, like that. Now I will click the line, then I will use the move command. Now you will click the first point, then move your mouse on the right. Try to go through this red point here. You can hit enter, then that way it can lock the plane. So it means now even if you move the mouse, it will be straight. You see now the X box here is active. Now you can tap 30, and that will place your line where it's supposed to be. Hit enter to lock the plane, then move it through. So sometimes if you've tapped the number, it will lock. So if your last number was 30, it will lock at 30. Now if that's what you want, you just click again using your left mouse. Then once you're happy, you release by clicking your right click of your mouse. Now you want to place your circles. The diameter is 22. Use place a circle, and then from the center diameter, then type 22 and hit enter. You need to change the level into shapes, so I will choose shapes, and now you can see it has changed style and color. Then you place the first circle here, and it is still active. You can place your second one here, and then to release the circle command, you click on your right button of your mouse. So now we have our two circles. I'm going to trim the construction lines. This one is too short, that is way too long. So to do that, move parallel line here, then move halfway, stop there. There we go. Now we want our line to stop where that line is. Select trim multiple, control Once that's done, then you use your left button on your mouse. You click using your left command, and then you bring up the line without releasing it. Release now. Click, then now you can release. So that trims. Now to extend, click on the other side once, and then now you can release. Click and don't release. You come across, then release. And that. So now we have that, and it looks about the same where it stops. Now I can delete this temporary line, or you can keep it into a construction class. If you click the element here, go to properties, here class, it says primary, so go to class and choose construction. Now the difference is, if you go to view attribute, you can switch it off and that disappears. Using your mouse on your wheel, scroll out, you zoom out. If you scroll in, you zoom in. Practice first. I will do my temporary lines again. So just draw a straight line, and then now we'll place our polygon or our block. This is the point of start. I will type 130 first, then I will hit enter, then I'll type 10, enter. That has to be center line like that. Then I need to do new layer called hidden. That would be dashed line 2. Then I'll keep it active. Now I'll draw a straight line from the edge of the circle like that. Then I'll do another one there. So zoom toward the edge, and if you put here, your mouse will snap because there's a intersection. You click once there and you come down, hit enter, then just bring it down. Okay, so now you have your 4 lines. Now you want to trim the edges, so it becomes like that. Trim multiple, then hit that line, click on the right side like that, then come straight across and then release. That's going to trim everything. Then do same thing for the bottom side, release. I want that line and that line. You can use copy, then I will choose the center of that line, hit enter, so it will lock it to the plane. Then I will come to the center of the hidden feature, then click once, change the level into text or dimension. I will do dimension first, so go to annotate, then choose dimension linear, then it says select the start of dimension, so I will start here, and then you choose the top part, and then you move it across to make one showing the width, which is from there to there. I move it across, and last one is from that point to the second circle and bring it up like that. Now if you want to adjust the distance between them, come to home, then modify element, so you can do minor adjustment even after placing it. Come to annotate, press text, and then now you can move your text to the position. Then once you're happy, you click using your left button, and then to exit the text, click the right button, then close there. This one, dimension radial. Now you can click that line there, then if you move it, you can say it says R20. Come to home, then choose element selection, double click it, then you can add more information, add the word type. Now you see it says R20 type, and if you want to move it a bit, come to modify element, hit the text, and then you can just move it slightly like that. Annotate, place note, so you will type first, then symbol somewhere here, that's diameter, then holes. Once you're happy, click the edge of a circle like so. To add a second arrow, again do place note and bring it across, but this time don't type anything, just click there and then close like that. So that to bring 2 lines, you can adjust, that can be at the edge like that. Now you have 2 lines like so, and the last part left is to add Again, place note. Once that's done, you can click anywhere and click there. And then now to adjust the size of the text, that is how you can do a 2D element. Now the last thing to do is to place each item on a proper level. The first thing is to switch off the construction. Then the dimension is fine, it says dimension here, and that it has to be on text. So to move it, click the element, level, move it into text, like so. So now that is on text. Now everything else should be in shapes, so that should be in hidden. That shapes is okay. That should be on shape together. So default shapes. And that is how you do a 2D shape design.